Boom shakalaka with the best year to date for the 60-40 portfolio, following one of the worst years to date for the same portfolio. Retail investors are losing their mind. In today's video, we're going to take a look at what's going on for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we have a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why retail investors are losing their mind and why you shan't or should not. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 58, just a wee bit greedy down from yesterday greed, but up from last week and last month. The overall market just about sideways today. Bitcoin at 24,504, Ethereum at 1695, BNB at 316, XRP 39 cents, Cardano 40 cents, Polygon $1.49, and Dogecoin 8 cents. Bitcoin right now sitting just below levels that were reached in August, almost quite a while back from now, but just below $25,000. That is the next line in the sand, because between $25,000 and $30,000, there is not much going on. But you just have to remember this dashed signal right here. Last time the orange line, 200-day moving average, went from going down to going up. On average, the last two times, 437% gains. The last three times, 3,000% gains. Now, this year so far has been an extraordinary year, not only for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency so far, but for the 60-40 portfolio, which, as we now know, Bitcoin and crypto kind of follows whatever goes on in the stocks. But the best year-to-date performance for the 60-40 portfolio, up 48% already. This is after last year, which was one of the worst years to date. I believe the second worst year to date. The only thing worse than that was the crash of 1930, 1931. Now look what happened shortly after that. They did have a few very good years after the crash of 3031. So could it already be over? Is the most anticipated recession ever already over? Well, we don't particularly know, but I'll tell you what, retail is losing their minds. Right now, retail behavior is seen as change in character in this rally. They've switched from heavy put buying, betting on the market going down, to heavy call buying, betting on the market going up as the put-to-call ratio is dropping like a stone. So it doesn't matter whether it's going up or going down. Everybody's just going a hundo X long or short on it, whichever direction it's going. You have to remember, we are not far from Bitcoin's next halving. Right now scheduled for roughly March 28th of 2024. Just a little bit over a year left until the halving. And you know what happens before the halving? Well, there's the pre-halving rally. You know what happens after the halving? The absolutely insane parabolic trend that happens after every rally so far. Right now, Bitcoin's 4-year cycle still on track. If we compare with previous cycles, we're basically just on track. Look at this. They had the bottom, start to rally, slow growth, basically bottom, start to rally, slow growth. Same thing. We've happened over and over again. It looks like things are headed up. As a matter of fact, roughly every 4 years, Bitcoin gets into this red Ichimoku cloud and then either gets rejected from the moving average or breaks through the moving average. At the point right now, we've been rejected from this moving average, may eventually break through there as the rally continues. It appears as bears are hitting their head on concrete right now. It may not be going down to $13,000 like all the bears thought, but, you know, it may not be going up as high as the bulls. It does appear, though, like we do have a change in trends. You can see the trend change here when the bulls hit their head, the trend change here when the bears hit their head. And again, bulls hit their head, bears hit their head. Well, next will be bulls hitting their head, but Bitcoin price may be going up quite a bit in the meanwhile. Simple reversals. We have the triple tap and explosion. Triple tap and explosion. Every time Bitcoin takes a triple tap and explosion, we've had our triple tap on this support trend. Next would be the explosion. Simplicity being the ultimate sophistication. So where could we be headed? Well, we're 2/3 of the way towards the next halving. And as we were talking about in the beginning, the halving oftentimes marks parabolic rallies after the halving. However, leading up to the halving, we do generally have very slow growth all the way up towards the halving. Now, back in 2019, we did have this summer rally. We could, again, once have a summer rally. Maybe a sell in May, go away. Could have a very sharp rally before then, and then a cooling off before the halving. But either way, we roughly only have about a year until the halving, not giving you much time to stock up on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies before this does take off, because the momentum indicator is signaling a breakout on the weekly charts. When we have a breakout from the previous resistance, look at this breakout right here, massive rally. We just recently have a breakout in momentum, could have a massive rally to follow, which, if you're looking for a simple indicator to just give you an idea, you could take a look at the bull market support bands. When Bitcoin is above there, we're in a bull market. When it's below there, we're in a bear market. You can see evidence by here. Above here in 2017, bull market. Below there, bear market. Very clear. And then above there, bull market. Below there, bear market. Above there, bull market. Below there, bear market. Very, very clear to look at it now. Well, guess where we are? We are above there. We have just recently flipped above the bull market support bands. Has always triggered a nice uptrend when it has flipped from below to above, suggesting we might have a nice rally in the cards for Bitcoin, maybe even as early as this summer. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.